Welcome to this video session. In the previous video, we studied about pure and impure substances. In this video, we will study about mixture and types of mixtures. We all feel very happy to take a walk on the beach, isn't it? Let us do an experiment with seawater. Let us take a little seawater in a beaker and heat it with the help of a burner. What do you see? Absolutely right. Sodium chloride dissolved in seawater is separated from water due to evaporation. Therefore, we can say that seawater consists of sodium chloride and water. However, sodium chloride is itself a substance and cannot be separated by physical process into its chemical constituents. Substances like seawater, which consist of more than one pure elements or compounds, are called mixture. Friends, are mixtures only liquids? Think. Since pure elements, solid, liquid, or gaseous, can be found in any of these states, mixtures can also be found in any of these conditions. For example, air is a mixture because it is made by mixing different types of pure substances and compounds such as oxygen, carbon dioxide, etc. Friends, seawater and air are both blends. But are their characteristic properties the same? Of course not. This is because they are made by mixing different ingredients. Different types of mixtures are formed according to the nature of the component. Let us now discuss the types of mixtures. We will learn about it through an experiment. Gather 3 of your friends for this experiment. Now, take 50 ml of water in 4 beakers. Suppose we name these 4 beakers as A, B, C and D. Now dissolve 1 teaspoon of sugar in A beaker. Tell your friend to dissolve 3 teaspoons of sugar in the B beaker. Now ask your second friend to dissolve 1 teaspoon of oil in the beaker C. And finally, ask the third friend to dissolve 1 teaspoon of sodium chloride and iron filings in the beaker D. Notice the texture of all the blends. Let us first look at the mixtures of beaker A and beaker B. What do you observe? Are A and B blends of the same texture? Correct. The types of mixtures in which the components mixed are uniformly distributed throughout the mixture is called homogeneous mixture or solutions. Mixtures A and B are both homogeneous mixtures made from the same component. But if we look at the intensity of the sweetness of the beaker A and B mixtures, we will find that they are different. As a result, we can see that homogeneous mixtures can have different composition. Now look at the mixtures of beaker C and D. Are these blends of the same texture? The components of mixtures obtained in C and D beakers is different physically. The mixtures which contain physically distinct parts and have non-uniform compositions are called heterogeneous mixtures. Can you think of examples of some more heterogeneous mixtures? Copper sulfate and potassium permanganate and water. Salt and sulfur and water. These are a few examples of heterogeneous mixtures. Friends, in this video, we studied mixture and types of mixtures.